All right, we're gonna go over the best knot, the superior knot to tie one rope onto another for tree work applications, tying a rope on for a climber to use. This orange rope is gonna simulate my climber's rope, and this blue and white rope is going to simulate the rope that I desire to tie on. So ignore this strand right here. Just pretend it's not there. It's just holding up my orange one. All right, anyway. Simply grab a bite of your climber's line first. Grab a bite. And you want to make that bite long enough, like about 2 or 3 fist lengths worth. You want to make it long enough to easily do this knot. Have it you're facing it, and you're just holding it off to the side. I typically hold it with my left hand, and it's facing off to the right. Now I'm going to take the tail of the rope that I desire to tie on, and it does need to be a similar diameter. It cannot be something, largely different. All right, so anyways, I drape a tail over the bite of the climber's line, and the next step is to reach in between the two. Now notice I'm holding that tail in place with my thumb. So I'm holding the bite so that I can easily see the loop, or the hole, the space in between the bite. And I'm holding the tail of my climber's line in place with my thumb. This is really important to keep yourself organized so you don't get confused. Next step, as I was about to say, is reach in between and grab up here. Don't grab down here. Okay? I'll explain why. You grab up here and pull through and start to make this into a bite again, and you'll have plenty of tail left over. If you grab down here and do that step, then by the time you make the bite, you have almost no tail left over. All right, let's do that one more time. I'm going to reach in between, grab higher rather than lower, higher, and then pull a little bit through, and then make another bite. Now we're almost done. We're going to take this bite and pass it straight into this bite. We're not going to twist it. We're not going to go around. We're not going to do any of that. We simply reach through, grab, immediately fold it into another bite, and put this one into the original bite. Just straight in, right there. Now, we've done all the motions, but we have yet to finish. We have to dress and set. So, using your fingers and thumbs to keep everything organized as you're doing this, configure it so that you can hold this bite and then hold the original bite and pull them opposite each other, and make sure you don't pull your tail through. That's why it's important to have enough tail. Okay, by the end of this process, you still have to have enough tail so that as you dress and set, you don't run the risk of pulling your tail through and ruining everything. All right, now if you've properly tied this, then it's going to come up to the climber like this. And when the climber gets it, you're going to take that tail and just pull it, and it comes apart with no twists or anything. It's very efficient, great for the flow of work, and the climber will love you if he has any sense. All right, I'm going to go through all that one more time, a little faster this time, without all the tedious breakdown, and I'm just going to kind of go through those steps. Step 1, make a bite in the climber's line. Step 2, drape your rope over top. Step 3, reach in between the two ropes, grab, make a bite. Now is step 4 with your rope that you're designed to attach. Pass that bite into the original bite. Last step, grab here, pull them apart in such a way that it dresses and sets. Okay, you can cinch that down like that. It's not going to go anywhere. As he pulls up, it comes to him, it pops apart. Okay, without talking now. Okay, very quick, very easy. Once you really get proficient, you can actually kind of combine steps. Try that again. Grab through there, pull through here. See how fast that is. Combining steps and doing it faster. So break it down into just a few into the sequences that I showed, and then you'll really understand it really well. And as you get more and more proficient, you can tie it faster and faster and faster. It's a great hitch. It's the one I love.